This is the original picture and this is the Minecraft version. This is also the original picture and this is the Minecraft version. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn your selfie photo into a Minecraft theme character using AI such as ChatGPT, but you can also use something like Microsoft Copilot or even Perplexity. And by the way, the prompt that I'm about to show you is actually work not only on human character, but also everyday objects such as this car. So let me show you how you can do it. Okay, first let's open ChatGPT, and after that you can log in to your account. Here you must upload your photo and you have to put that into this area. You can either click on this button and then click add photos and files and then select the photo that you want to convert, or you can also just drag and drop the file into this area. So I'm going to upload this picture that I got from pixelated. This is the original picture. And I'm going to turn that into a Minecraft character. So the prompt that you must use is this. Don't worry about that because I'm going to provide the full prompt in the video description. And after that, click create image and just send the message. So just wait until ChatGPT, or maybe even you're using Microsoft Copilot or even Perplexity to generate this Minecraft version from this picture. So this process will take in about 2 minutes. So I'll be back when it is done. And there you go. I got this picture, which is very similar to the original picture. So let me show you the original picture again. So this is the one standing in front of some sort of cathedral, I believe. And this is the Minecraft version. Yeah, it's very close. So you can use this prompt once again. I'm going to put that in the video description, and you can turn any character or any object into the Minecraft theme character or 3D render. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.